The TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 range extender with Ethernet port is a versatile and high-performance device designed to enhance your home internet experience. This product serves as a signal booster, extending the coverage range of your existing Wi-Fi network to areas where it may have been weak or non-existent. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 technology, it ensures faster speeds and greater capacity, accommodating multiple devices seamlessly. The dual-band function provides both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, optimizing performance based on your needs. Additionally, the convenient Ethernet port allows wired connections to enhance speed and stability. It can function as an access point, and the one-mesh compatibility ensures integration with other TP-Link devices for a unified network. Easy setup via the accompanying app makes installation straightforward, even for those less tech-savvy. The design is compact and blends well in any environment. In comparison to alternatives, this extender offers excellent value, reliability, and innovative features to ensure comprehensive home connectivity. Whether for streaming, gaming, or working from home, this product is a worthy addition to any modern household.